अस्सलाम वालेकुम। EDU 302 फाइनल टर्म प्रिपरेशन। और ये जो फाइल है ना, ये करंट पेपर की फाइल है जो कि 2023 में हुआ था अगस्त में। तो ये MCQs एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बेहद इंपॉर्टेंट है। चांसेस हैं कि यही वाले रिपीट हो जाए, तो आपने थोड़ा सा फोकस करना है। और मैंने सभी MCQs को कंफर्म कर लिया GPT से, और लिटिल बिट लॉजिकल रीजन भी आपसे शेयर करूंगी ताकि ये आपको याद रहे। फर्स्ट वन इज सोशल डिस्टेंस प्रैक्टिस कैन बी इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय द फैक्टर्स सच एज culture norms and the values. Reason is culture norms decide how the close or a distant people stands while the talking. According to the Gilligan, what is the primary emphasis in the moral development of the females? Right option is caring and interpersonal relationships. Reason is we can focus on the empathy and relationship over the justice-based thinking. Next one is what does the survival inequality indicate regarding the gender differences? Right option is differences in life expectancy and mortality rates between the males and females. Reason is survival inequality shows a gap in the health outcomes between the genders. What does the research suggest about the genders inequality consequences for the movement? Right option is serious and the long-lasting consequences. Reason is gender bias affects women deeply in all the areas work, health, and rights. According to the Gilligan, what is the primary emphasis in the moral development of the females? ये repeat है, caring and interpersonal relationships. When they creating a concept map, what should be placed at the center? Central concept should be placed at the center. Reason is the main idea is placed at the center to branch out the related topics. In which step of the lesson plan does the teacher check the understanding? Right option is fifth. Evaluation and the feedback come in the final stage of the lesson. Levels of the intellectual disability, which is ID, which is the abbreviation. Right option is mild, moderate, and severe and profound. These are clinically recognized categories used in the diagnosis. Now for the limited field of the view in the visual impairment, right option is tunnel vision. Tunnel vision means seeing only the straight ahead light through a tunnel. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक है, यहाँ पे होगा ABA stands for Applied Behavior Analysis. ABA is widely used in the method to support the behavior in the autism. What disrupts e-learning? Connectivity and glitches. Poor internet or the bugs can break the learning flow in the e-learning. Involves analysis and evaluation, critical thinking. It helps to judge and understand the information for the decisions. Role of the critical thinking in the research encourages deeper thoughts and pursuit of the knowledge. It questions ideas and leads to the stronger, well-supported findings. Type of the thinking linking ideas together. Convergent thinking. It merges various ideas to find the best fit answer. If hearing loss signs are seen in the student, teachers should recommend hearing screening. Early checkup helps in the getting the medical learning support in the time. Behavioral disorders in the students show the disruptive or antisocial behavior. These students often face the emotional and social behavior issues. Students with the intellectual disabilities need continuous contact. They need ongoing guidance for the consistent development. Sign language is helpful because supports the communication and learning. It helps nonverbal learners express and understand the ideas. Cosmetic surgery changes physical features. It is done to improve or alter the appearance. Why do the students feel the pressure in the competitive environments? Fear of failure or disappointment? Teachers. Fear of the not meeting the expectation causes stress. Gifted children and their emotions highly sensitive and passionate. They deeply feel and follow their interest with the energy. Gagne defines the gifted children as having a high ability in any human domain. Giftedness includes sports, arts, and logic, etc. Metacognition helps in the academics by the knowing your own strength and weakness. It helps plan, monitor, and reflect on your own learning. What impairs the mental abilities and the money? Chronic alcoholism. Long-term alcohol uses damages the brain memory functions. What is the scaffolding in education? Support from the teachers to help the learners. Teachers guide step by step until the student can do it alone. Strategy younger Real learners, comparing, classifying, and categorizing. Real learners understand better through the organization. Benefit of the group intelligence test: quick and cost effective. They save the time and money by the testing the many at once. Finding the relationship between the variables is called correlation. Correlation shows how the two things are connected, which consists of the social, moral, political, etc. environment. The environment includes all the forces affecting the life. And what is a metacognition? Thinking about knowing. Metacognition means being aware of and controlling your own thinking and learning. Which component of the language studies meanings? Semantics. Semantics is a part of language that deals with the meaning of the words and sentences. Thinking about the beliefs and experiences to clarify the meaning is called self reflection. Self reflection involves analyzing your own thoughts and experiences to learn from them. Learning style involves pictures and diagrams is a real. Real learners prefer to learn using the images, charts, and diagrams. How can teacher build the trust and communication? Use active listening exercises. Listening actively shows students their opinion matter, which builds the trust. An example of the cooperative learning strategy is the jigsaw activity. Jigsaw involves a group work where each student contributes a piece of the learning. How many types of the intelligence did the Gardner propose? 8. Gardner's multiple intelligence theory identifies the 8 types like like musical, linguistic, logical, etc. तो स्टूडेंट ये थे 37 MCQs। तो वैसे तो 40 MCQs होंगे आपके पेपर में, लेकिन ये सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट थे। आपने इनको अच्छे तरीके से याद करना है। अगर आपको ये वाली फ़ाइल चाहिए तो आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लेना, मैं उसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूँगी, फिर आप उनसे ये फ़ाइल ले लेना, ठीक है? और इसको खुद भी आप चेक कर सकते हैं। और अभी तक अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक भी करें और एक अच्छा सा कमेंट भी। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, ऑल द बेस्ट।